That's it, Addis Ababa from the very top. I left Addis this morning. It was raining a little bit, not too much, but enough for keep me cold, pretty cold. And I was cold until a few minutes ago, but now it's sunny and we're going down, and it should get a little hotter. And I'm on the main road. I'm on the tar road because I don't feel safe in this part of Ethiopia to wander around on dirt roads. So I'll stick to the main road, at least for the time being. So let's follow me. Not sure you can see, but this is elevation 3107, and it's probably gonna be the highest point of my African journey. Look what's coming now. That's some view, huh? Look at this. And these kids are throwing rocks, so I'll have to wear a helmet. Hello. 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 Look at this view. Wow. It's a bit hazy, but wow. What a view. I think down there is one of the sources of the Blue Nile. And that's guys, no barrier, free fall to the source of the Blue Nile. The Blue Nile. Another day, another problem. This stupid tarmac with the vibration made me break my pannier here. So now I need to fix it, hopefully. Okay, I fixed it. I have the RTF spare parts, so looks good now. Let's keep going because it's hot as hell. Was on top of there, came all down to the canyon, up the canyon. I'm exhausted. Good morning guys, I just had breakfast, a big plate of pasta in this restaurant. But I wanted to show you that yesterday the problem was not just the attachment of the Ortre pannier, but the bigger problem with this, I don't know if you can see, the brazen of the eyelet of my fork snapped, and that's a major issue. The last time it happened, I had a little meltdown, and this time I was just really upset. But I'll try to find a solution. I had a new bracket made in Namibia that would go into the quick release instead of attaching here, and obviously I made two of them, and obviously I got rid of one of the spare one in Kampala, in Uganda, because I thought it was that weight. So good choice, huh? We'll see. I will try to get to Bahir Dar and then try to get a new bracket done if I can. Otherwise, I don't know. At least this time I don't have the whole of Africa in front of me, but I'm only like about 3,500 kilometers from Cairo, so it's looking good, or it's better than it was in Namibia. Ciao.